Tech Review Kid, and today we're unboxing the Walmart Special Edition Nintendo Switch. It comes with a carrying case and Nintendo Switch Online, 12 months. My sister is going to be the special guest, so let's get started. So there's this flap, and it comes up. So what you see are some instructions, right here. And then, when you open it up, you see the Switch and the Joy-Cons itself. They're going to the side for now. Underneath that, we have the case. So we're just going to take that out of its wrapping. And that's also going to the side for now. We also get the Joy-Con straps, the Nintendo Online service, the instructions, the Joy-Con grip, the other Joy-Con strap, a high-speed HDMI cable, the AC adapter, and the dock. I'm just going to take the dock out of the wrapping right now. And the dock. Right. So these are the possible places where the Joy-Con can go. Obviously, it's on the Switch itself, like this. And like this, you can go on the Switch itself. You can play like this. And this button is the release one. It can go with the straps. So this is the plus one, so that'll be for the right. This is for the left one, right? So for the right, this is a minus, so there you go. And you can take this off like this. And then the right one, this is for the both of them, no. And then the right one, like that. And then also, this one also comes out. That we get. And then there's a Joy-Con grip. And so I need to hold this and tell me how it feels.
Okay.
Wait, let me just slide that in.
Oh, this feels awesome. It feels like a real 360 remote. But just a little bigger.
Bigger? Anyway guys, that's the end of this unboxing. Bye!